The most potent weapon in the hands of the oppressor is the mind of the oppressed. This is Peter Gracey, poet and author, and in collaboration with Jamaicans.com, I bring you this piece I wrote called Take Back Your Mind. While my eyes are closed and I am on bare knees, in my deepest thoughts, I see many as mindless individuals. I see many as ones and noughts. They struggle to survive because of how they're programmed to live. So when the destructive mystics select and deletes them, they cannot undo what their negative thoughts just did. No more thinking for ourselves. We must get others involved. We ask to intervene socially, but our mayhem is still unresolved. So what if no one ever voted? There would still be population control. We would still have the high cost of living, taxes, no universal health care, worthless currencies, and empty billfolds. So quickly take back your mind and get back in sync. Reestablish your purpose and main chief aim in life. And before you act, think.